In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create service reports with the Service Analytics tool in HubSpot. First, sign into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the left panel for the reporting icon. Hover over it and choose Reports. Inside the Reports area, you'll see another left panel. Find Service and click it to expand. You'll notice several categories underneath, like Customer Satisfaction, Team Performance, Onboarding, Ticket Replies, and Planning. Each category can be expanded again to show specific report templates. Click through the options to explore what's available and choose the service report you want to view. For this walkthrough, select Onboarding, then pick Average Time and Stage. When you select a report, the main area on the right refreshes with the data for that report. At the top, you'll see quick filters such as Create Date, Date Range, and Owner. Under the More menu, you'll find additional options like Pipeline and Stage. Use these filters to narrow your results to the exact period, owners, or pipeline segments you care about. If you'd like to add more quick filters, click the plus icon and choose from the available fields so the report reflects the metrics that matter most to you. As the report loads, the first tile you may see is the report summary with AI insights, which appears when there's enough underlying data. This gives you a quick, readable overview of what's changing and what stands out. Below that, you'll see tiles for the average cumulative time spent in each stage of the customer onboarding pipeline. These typically include owner assigned, kickoff, setup, and when you click the next arrow, training. The duration values are shown in seconds, which helps you compare stages precisely. If you need a clearer sense of scale, consider the date range you're using. Shorter windows can make trends easier to interpret. At the bottom, you'll find a visualization that brings these stage times together, making it easier to spot bottlenecks or unusually long stages at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the setup and results, scroll back to the top and click Save Report to keep this configuration for later. If you need to share it or work with the underlying records elsewhere, open the Actions menu. From there, you can copy the report URL to send to teammates or export unsummarized data for deeper analysis in your preferred tools. And that's it. You've just created a clear, focused service report using HubSpot's Service Analytics tool, giving you visibility into where time is spent and where your team can improve.